I set up my own account. I'm going to show you how to make this work from an iPhone to this device. This is like a Google Android RAN device. So I actually downloaded the app on my phone called Google Photos. Then you can manually select any photos you want to upload. You're going to log into the account. I created a whole separate account for my family to use just because everyone didn't want to sync their phone. They didn't want to sync their accounts in, and they didn't want everything to synchronize, the kids and everything. So we just did one all account, and then we can all log into that same account and sync everything that way, or you can manually add stuff. So I downloaded the Photos app, and then I added all the photos in. Once you add it and log in with your account that you set up, it will literally populate right in here. It will just take 1 second to do that. We're going to log out of here, and then if you want your photos to run, you get this nice little pen too if you want, or you can use your finger as well. You're going to click frame. And then here is the mode to run your pictures or your little video clips if you want. Here's all the options and settings for it. And then what I did was I just went to customize, and I wanted to do my photos. There's many different options again. You can just customize it, and it will tell you how to run it. And then I selected all photo, and then we're gonna go to start. Once we click start, the photos will start cycling through. You can do them this way, or you can do them this way. When I first did it, I had this photos fill screen checked, and it was cutting off all of my photos. So I unchecked it, and everything works fine and worked great. And you don't have to have this. This is that odd animated zoom effect that was kind of like zooming in and out the pictures. You don't have to have that highlighted as well. There is a lot of different settings you can do and to customize how you want it. You do have that stand right here in the back if you want to do them vertically. I love how the writing of everything is pretty large, the font size, because it's really good for like if you have grandparents you might give this to for a gift or anything like that. That's going to be helpful for them to see, or anybody with difficult eyesight, someone who wears like cheaters. The font is pretty large size, so that will be easy for them to be able to see everything. We're going to go back in here, and then you can click on, there's different apps that you can do. Literally has a lot of fun apps for kids. You see there's some that are already pre-programmed, and you can also download other apps as well. You will click on Google Play if you want to add any different apps that you can download. I haven't started all that yet or set that up yet. Calendar, like I said, I didn't want to sync everything, so I'm manually adding things. I already added something. You can click on the schedule tab, and that will just show you the breakdown of it. So I wrote down we have a kid who has braces appointment on that day, so you can just manually enter it in. They could also log in with their phone. Typically you will sync all of your accounts together, but like I said, we don't want to do that. So they can still log into this Google account on their phone and add anything into it, and then it will auto update on here. So there's so many different options with this, and you can also put this in many different places. We have this sitting above just kind of on our mantle, and we have it ran with the photos, and then I just update it as I need to, usually at the, on a Sunday or something at the end of the week for the following week or the following couple weeks, things that I know are already planned. You can also bring this, on the airplane with you when you're traveling, or your kids can use this because it literally is a very widespread device that is fun for everyone. He's still learning how to color and draw, but it does have this app on it as well as streaming devices too. Thanks for the company for sending me this to review.